Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share very simple Balinese sambal recipes called sambal mata. So it's a really simple. So everything is uncooked ingredients. So here I have shallot, garlic, ginger torch, grass, kaffir lime fruit, trumboyong powder. It's optional, you can change with sugar, salt, coconut oil. Slice the shallot thinly. Chop the garlic. Slice the chili thinly. Chop the lemongrass. I'm using the soft part. Slice the ginger torch. Put everything together. Add some salt, mushroom boyong powder, kaffir lime fruit juice, and mix well. Add the coconut oil and mix again. Here we go. Happy cooking!